The converse perpendicular bisector theorem of a circle. So, theorem says that the line joining the center of the chord to the midpoint of any chord which is not a diameter, it's perpendicular to that chord. So, in short, kapag pinagdugtong mo ang center ng circle sa gitna ng chord, magkakaroon siya ng right angle or 90 degrees. So, here on my JU board, I place a chord connecting 2 points on the circle, and I found the midpoint and connected it into the center. The line from the center to the midpoint forms a 90-degree angle with the chord. So that means perpendicular. Exactly what the theorem says. So in any circle, from the line to the midpoint of a chord will always be perpendicular to that chord. So that's the converse of the perpendicular bisector theorem of a circle.